Hi all, this is Sumit Kumar Dash from Informatica Global Customer Support Team. Today we will look more into encrypted folders in MFT. Encrypted folders in MFT. The encrypted folders page allow authorized users to create and manage encrypted folders for use within managed file transfer. Encrypted folders ensure your data is kept safe from unauthorized access outside the managed file transfer product. The files in the encrypted folder can be accessed through the HTTPS, FTP, FTPS, and SFTP AS2 services like from an authorized web user through a project, a trigger, or could be a file manager. Accessing the files in the encrypted folder outside of managed file transfer. For an example, Windows Explorer will not decrypt or encrypt the data. Therefore, the files in the encrypted folder should only be accessed from managed file transfer. Folder restrictions. There are some folder restrictions and the rules we have to comply. We cannot encrypt a root drive. We cannot encrypt the managed file transfer, install directory, or any parent directory of the install directory. The only directory within the managed file transfer is the install directory where encryption is allowed is the default global settings, which is install directory slash user data slash web docs. We cannot encrypt a child folder of a directory that is already encrypted. We cannot encrypt a parent folder of a directory that contains an encrypted child directory. Okay, now let's look on more into this. I have logged in inside the managed file transfer with the administrative privileges, and you can find this encrypted folder option inside the encryption, and from here if you can select you will get the same page. Okay, let me log in once again. So from here you can go inside the encrypted folder, and you could see like there is an add folder option which is present. If you click over here, it will give you and guide through to automatic creation of the encrypted folder. This is the folder path you have to select, and this is the directory inside which either you can create a new folder which can be used for the encryption, or you can create a new folder over here. So besides, I have already created an encrypted folder. If I select the same one, I think it won't make me allow because this folder is already been encrypted. So what we have to do is we can create a new folder over here. So I have already created a test folder. Let me select the test folder over here. I choose this test, and then I click on the next button. So whenever you click on the next button, it will ask you the two options. This is the default path which it is provided for the folder creation and the key generation. Either you can choose two options. One is the random, which is by default selected, and another is the manual. So when you select the manual option, it will ask you the two things. One is the encryption key and the seed UUI. You have to provide both the option in order to proceed the next. In case if you have a separate entity as an encryption key, so if you want to encrypt and decrypt with your key, then that key should be mentioned over here along with the seed UUID. You can choose this option as encrypt contents, so whatever the contents inside the folder which has been selected is completely encrypted. Let me click on the random one. So this random will create a key generation by default. Let me click on the next, and that's all. I just need to click on the activate button. So folder encryption is successfully activated. So here as you could see, I have choose two folders. This one is previously created, another this one is test. We would love to hear from you. You can drop us an email at supportvideos@informatica.com. Also, you can send any query at our Twitter account InfaSupport. Thank you.